Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Google Nest Doorbell. And to do this, first you'll need to connect your Google Nest Doorbell to the power source, and there's also a power switch right here that you need to click on. And when you hear a ringtone for that doorbell, that means it's on. You can also see the blue LED lamp light right here. Next thing is to move to our smartphone. We'll need to download an app called Google Home, and you can find it on Google Play Store. Here it is, and we need to open it. And when it's open, move to Devices, Add Device, Google Nest or parent device. Then you'll be able to pick a different home or create a new one. In this case, I'm gonna choose the one that is already created. Location access that we need to provide through those settings. Then app permission and location, allow all the time. Now it will look for available devices. And what are we setting up? Doorbell, Google Nest Doorbell wired, 2nd generation. And now it will open the camera, and we need to scan the QR code, which is located on the back of your doorbell right here. So I've scanned it, and we can continue. There's usage guidelines, privacy guidelines that you can read through. Help improve Google Nest Doorbell, automatically share device stats and crash reports with Google to improve everyone's experience. And yeah, let's go with that. Do you have a Nest account? I think so, I'm not sure actually. Okay, seems I don't. So no. So I agree. And do we have any of these devices already set up in this home? No, I have only doorbell. Create Nest network. Plug in doorbell indoors. Use USB-C computer or tablet charger. You can also use the included cable with adapter. Place the doorbell on the side to avoid scratching the camera lens during charging. It needs to charge basically. The doorbell will chime and the light will turn white when it's connected to the power. Once it pulses blue, leave the doorbell plugged in and continue with the next setup. So it should start connecting any moment. Now the update is finished, and here we have a prompt. What will your new doorbell use for power? Battery or wire terminals? In this case, I'm gonna go with the maybe battery, or actually let's click on not sure, maybe we'll get more options. Okay, so if you're not sure, it should open this support page, and here you can read more about what options should you choose. And then I'm gonna go with the battery. Gather these tools and watch the installation video. So we can watch the video on how to plug it to your wall, and if you're interested you can watch it. I'm gonna click on already installed, and then we can see the live video. Next, camera is on. Next, live viewing. So you had different LED lamp indicators what's happening. So if it was blinking, I think we had the video recording, and when it was static, that would be the live video preview. Choose whether you want to turn on video history. I'm gonna enable it and then proceed. Adjust your microphone settings. We can activate it and also enable audio recording. choose a spoken language. We can pick many different options. I'm gonna go with the English US. Stay in the known, no thanks. And what can you do with your new camera in Home app? There's some instructions, introduction. I'm gonna skip through that. And it's ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.